Eden, hindi ka palalabas dyan. Puro kakartehan ha. Huwag mong idahilan na depress ka. Hindi naman totoo yan. Gawa-gawa mo lang yan.
Yung depression, gawa-gawa ng mga tao yan. Gawa nila sa sarili nila.
Oo, dinidepress nyo lang yung sarili nyo tapos nagkakaroon ng sakit. Kaya nga yung stress. Yung stress.
No one believes in me. I feel like I'm all alone. I feel useless. I have no one on my side.
Your grades are low. What happened to you, Joy? Your feelings are important. What you're going through matters. We can find ways to help you. Maybe by talking to a counselor or creating a study plan so you won't feel too overwhelmed. Do you want me to tell your parents about this?
No, please, no, don't tell my parents.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon. You are home early today.
Yes, Mom, our school ended early.
How was your school today?
It was okay, Mom.
I received your report card from your teacher earlier.
Oh, you did?
Why are your grades so low? I work hard every day to support you and your study. Your education is the only thing that can help in the future.
I'm sorry, Mom. I tried my best.
Try your best. Your grades do not show that instead improving, they are getting lower.
It's not just I don't want to study.
Then what is the reason? I just want you to have a better life than me.
I feel like pressured and tired. Sometimes I can focus sleeping.
Why did you tell me before? Good morning, sir. Is this something wrong?
Good morning. Thank you for coming today. I asked you to come because I want to talk about your child's situation in school.
Nak, can I talk to you?
Yes, Mom.
Sorry for everything I did yesterday. I just want to have a good grade.
It's okay, Mom. I understand.
Mental health is something we all have, but too often, it's the one thing we hide the most. Stress, anxiety, and even depression are more common than we think. Many people silently struggle every single day. And that's okay. Having a hard time doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Reaching out for help is not a sign of failure, but of courage. There are small ways to care for your mental health, like talking to a trusted friend or a family member, writing down your thoughts in a journal, taking breaks and practicing self-care, and asking for professional support when needed. And sometimes, just being there for someone, listening without judgment, can make all the difference. We all have a role to play. Let's break the stigma. Let's make mental health a normal conversation, just like we talk about physical health. Together, we can create a safe, supportive, and compassionate community, online and offline.